Here we are at the Incline Railway parking lot. You guys excited?
No. No.
Gage, look. You ready to go on the Incline Railway?
No, I'm scared.
You're scared of what? Scared of a choo-choo train? What about you, Mom? Are you scared?
I am stoked.
Alright, I'm scared just a little bit.
Someone can tumble out and break the roof and fall down the mountain.
I don't think so. Alright, Lookout Mountain.
If it's been hit and hit and hit and hit and hit. I'm thinking it's been hit and hit.
Incline. Alright, here's the railway.
We're going on Incline Railway. This is what looks outside right now. We're about to start. Are you ready? And the windows are open so the passengers can fall down.
Right here, Gage. Connor.
Are you ready to go down?
That was the halfway point there.
This is really straight up and down. Here's the side of the mountain.
Well, I see that little ice cream shop across the street. Big ice cream shop.
Wow, you can see the top.
Yeah, there it is. Right, it's a long ways away.
Yeah, it's Point Park right up there.
Why don't we just go today?
We are going today. That's where we're walking to.
Oh, we're going there right now?
Yeah, there's Point Park right there.
Nice home.
Stand right here, Gage. Hunter, come on, stand right here.
Let's go, on.
What is this, the museum?
Yeah, it said museum. Who knows what the museum has light. We're just gonna go there. This is the museum, bitch.
It's like it used to be a water fountain here. It's a battle above the clouds. Look at this view.
They have a real air conditioner on there. Right through that door. We're lucky.
Tennessee River and Moccasin. So this is the Moccasin Bend down here.
You know what that is?
Yeah. Tennessee River.
Welcome aboard the Lookout Mountain Incline Railway, the world's steepest passenger railway and America's most amazing mile.
Didn't have to hear about that.
The incline will travel from an altitude of 2,100 feet above sea level at a speed of 600 feet per minute, nearly 1 mile straight down the face of Lookout Mountain to the Chattanooga Valley below. The grade of the track at the steepest point is 72.7%. giving the Lookout Mountain Incline Railway the unique distinction of being the steepest passenger railway in the world. The car in which you are riding was installed in March 1987. Its many windows were designed to offer the most fantastic view of Chattanooga, as well as the colorful foliage and lush vegetation on the mountain. In the spring, thousands of dogwoods bloom. Summer brings out the mountain laurel and rhododendron, and in the fall come the brilliant reds and yellows of the hardwoods. The crisp days of winter offer a view.
Here we are on the overpass for the Incline Railway.
This is where we went.
We were right down there is where we started. Actually, let me see if I can zoom in some. Can't zoom in that much. Anyway, way down there, and we went way up there. Way up there, that's the very top. Alright, here comes the railway car. It's coming down.
Duck! Duck! Duck!
What are you ducking for?
Yeah, if it flew over.
It ain't gonna fly over.
It'll be cool for this. They got hook line and they wrap down to there.
There it goes. Wave, Gage.
Okay. Yeah, I got a part over here.
See?
Come on.
Alright, here they come down here.
Chugga chugga choo choo. And there we go.
Yep, there they are.
Chugga chugga choo choo! It's kind of like a bus.
See, there's the halfway point down there.
Yep.
They got
Oh, there's another one coming. Really? That one's at the halfway point.